Here is the new method how to unlock Samsung A05. Make sure flash 64 backup folder is empty, just like this. Then run the tool. Connect. Check VCC2 and clock speed to ensure recommendable speed. When ready, check if backup security files are enabled, then identify. Make sure you back up security files. This is very, very important. Don't forget this step. Security files should be backed up, as you have seen. As you can see, this is Samsung A05 binary 9, Samsung A05 binary 9, as you can see. And check if your backup has been saved. As you can see, the backup has been saved in this folder. As you can see, in the backup folder, that's where our backup has been saved. Now what next? Put the phone in the boot mode. Here, you should remove the USB from the phone and immediately reconnect the USB to get this 000. Make sure you tick boot mode, then flash the FFU. You should tick full factory reset and enable smart patches, then select FFU. As you can see, the FFU is being flashed. Good. The FFU has been flashed. Now, the next thing is to identify. As you can see, the phone is now DC6DMO. As you can see up there. Now you can untick automatic backup since you have already backed up. Now flash the user. You should be having the backup, and you flash on the user as you have seen. Then flash user partition only. Give it time to flash on the user partition. Let's give it time to finish flashing. Follow the step by step to be successful. Don't skip any step in this video. And please, if you like this video, like and share so that even others can can benefit from this video. Don't forget how to connect the phone in the FFU mode or boot mode. You need to tick boot mode, then identify and immediately remove the USB from the phone, then reconnect it back in seconds. In a few seconds, don't delay to reconnect the USB, and you will notice 000, and there the phone will be in FFU mode. Then choose tick full factory reset and smart patches, and select the FFU file. As you can see, the user partition is being flashed. It needs some patience. It should flash to the end. Let's give it some time. This is the updated method on how to flash Samsung A05. Easy to understand and easy to follow. As you can see, the user partition is being flashed. It is about to finish. Done. It has been flashed successfully. Now we need to identify. When this is done, you need to flash our backup. You need to first enable boot by choosing MTK configuration 2 in the provisioning area, as you can see. Then identify and check if device is enabled. Now need to flash the backup. Let's flash our backup in the backup folder. You can see that's the backup. You need to choose low program 0, then load and write. As you can see, those partitions are ticked. Then write. It needs some time also to finish the process. This is done. Now device is not enabled, but we have already enabled in the provisioning area. Let's identify and see. As you can see, boot partition is enabled to boot. Now we need to erase persistent and param. Erase persistent and param. Yes, they have been erased. Now we need to flash the official firmware. We need to flash official only CSC and B error. selected. Now let's write. Now it is writing. Let's give it time to finish writing the CSC and BL. Once this is done, we'll proceed. As you can see, we are flashing the CSC and the BL from the official firmware of A05 binary 9. As you can see, this process is done. Yeah, it is done. So now what next? We need to get the RPMB information by disconnecting the phone and the box and the socket, then reconnect them. First disconnect the USB from the phone and disconnect the USB from the box and disconnect the socket, then connect all of them again, then identify. You will notice that the RPMB options are here. Then read RPMB key, read RPMB. Remember, to get RPMB options, you need to disconnect the box from the PC, remove the USB from the phone, and disconnect the socket from the box, then reconnect them and identify. Now, after reading the RPMB key, we need to write the RPMB. We need to write the RPMB from the MDM file. After writing the RPMB, we need to write the edited security files. As you can see, RPMB is written successfully. Now let's write edited sec-efs and write persistent, edited persistent file, and write app param from the same folder, and we are good to go. Now disconnect the phone, put it on, power on the phone just like this. Put the phone in download mode and long press volume up to unlock bootloader. Long press, yes, unlock bootloader. Then put the phone in download mode and flash MDM file. Thank you for watching.